Let me pick it down. Oh, we're on the point. Oh, oh! Get on the fucking point! We did not just C9. Yeah, on that note, I'm fucking out of here, bruh. It's in the group. Paris mentioned. Yo, Paris? I want to see. Talk about Paris. What? Oh, wait, what? Oh, what? Wait, what? Am I stupid? Wait. What? Wait, am I stupid? It's me right now. Wait, really? What? It's only a 3-hour. Wait, what? What the hell? Soldier high! Wait, what? Really? Well, what? Oh, wait, it's not. Oh, it's not actually. Oh, it's not actually. Oh, I get it now. I get it now. It's not actually. Okay. I get it now. I was like, what the fuck you mean it's 3-hour difference? I get it now. I get D1 tomorrow. No worries. That happens. Yo, if you do, I want to see a screenshot. Let me see it. As if by magic I never want to start streaming anymore. What? Why not? What? Paris? We going to Paris, chat. Let's go. Alright, that was my last game. Get me the fuck off this game. That was fucking insane. A C9 is crazy. Get me out. Get out. Get out of my team. Get out of here. Fuck you. Love you, Chappie. You don't get a fuck you. Yeah, Marty gets a frick you. Not a fuck you, but a frick you. 44? Alright, Kenzo hates me. It's fine. I took out a tank and a healer. Wait, what did I do? Did I even do good? Oh, you know, 13,000 heals. It's fine. C9 could never happen with me. You know who it happens with all the time? Me, apparently. Woohoo! Their fucking Hawkeye went 16 final hits. Okay, bud. Yeah. Get off the game for me, little bud. Wait, is that Puffy Peach? Oh my god, is that Thebe? The man? Is that the man, Thebe? Yo, big fan. Big fucking fan. Yo, I'm a big ass fan. I'm literally your biggest fan, actually. Can we crash out together? Dude, oh my god. I actually lost my mind earlier today. But yeah, we can crash out together. Wait away. Let's have a crash out party. Who's coming? I don't care. I love it. Let's crash my car into a bridge.